Hey folks, a little tutorial here on 11.4a PBA. PBJ would be better, but 11.4a PBA 155, area of circles. Basically, you're going to find the area of these circles here and then find your answers over here and pop them in down the bottom here to solve the riddle. What happened when the TV set asked the remote control for a date? We'll look at a couple of problems. Before I forget, down here, these are kind of more challenging ones here. Find the area of the shaded region. So in this first one here, this is the shaded region out here. So you're going to have to find the area of the big circle, find the area of the little circle, and subtract, find the difference. On this one here, you're going to have to find a half circle and this rectangle here and add those together. Don't forget to cut that circle in half. And then over here, you're going to have to find the shaded area here, everything that's not white. So find the area of this rectangle here, and then you will take and find the area of these circles and then subtract the area of both circles. So you can do that. If this area, if this measurement right here is 8, that means that the radius then is 4. Okay, and if the diameter, if this diameter is 8 here, that means it's 8 here too. So this measurement is actually 16 inches. Let's look at a couple of more direct ones. We'll get you going on those so you know how to work the puzzle. All right, find the area of the circle here. We'll remember that we're going to use pi r, and let's see. Well, pi, we're going to use 3.14 the whole time times the radius times radius. Here's my pi r. You get 84.9056 meters squared. What? My answer's not there. Sorry. Right on the front page, it does say that most answers are rounded. I believe it says exactly. So you just look for an answer here. It looks like that. Here's 84.9. So they just rounded it to the nearest tenth. So 84.9. And go down and take that letter, which is E, and put it for number 2. And hopefully you get your puzzle solved that way. Let's take a look at one more problem, a little more difficult. A manhole cover has a diameter of 3 feet. It weighs 8.2 pounds per square foot. How much does the manhole cover weigh? A little more complicated here. Hey, shout out to Neenah, Wisconsin. This is my wife's hometown. Most manhole covers at some point on there will say Neenah Foundry. So take a look next time you're walking across, walking down the street or something like that, crossing the street, parking lots, wherever. All right, let's get going here. Well, they said that the manhole cover, the diameter of 3 feet, so here's my 3 feet, that would make the radius 1.5. So if we're going to pi r that, take 3.14 times the 1.5 times the 1.5, get 7.065 square feet. Look over here. What? My answer's not. Wait a minute. It says it weighs 8.2 pounds per square foot. Well, here's the weight per square foot. So if we take that weight per square foot, if we take the number of square feet times the weight per square foot, we get 57.933 pounds, which is roughly the weight of a pizza I once ate. That's crazy. So I'll look over here to see if we can find something close to 57. 57.9. Okay, there again, they're rounding to the nearest tenth. So 57.9 pounds. So you'd find number 12, and it looks like you're going to put in I for that. All right, good luck. It's kind of a fun puzzle. Have fun.